Fixed is a handy text function that converts a number into a string. It has a few options. You can specify the number of decimal places that you want, and you can also specify whether you want or not commas to separate thousands. Let's see a couple of examples of its usage. In this query, I'm grouping by product category and I'm retrieving in the last column the sales amount that you can see here automatically formatted by DAX Studio. The first three columns are computed using fixed, therefore they are strings. The first computes sales amount with two decimal separators, and you can see here we have fixed with commas with two decimal separators. The commas are present because the third argument specifies whether you want or not commas, and you need to use it the opposite way. So you specify false, which is the default value if you want commas, and you use true if you do not want commas. If you look at the second column, here we use two decimal places, but specifying true, we no longer have commas that separate thousands. And in the last example, we neither have commas nor decimal places.